Welcome to class. Hello, friend. Can you count? Do you know your numbers? Let's learn numbers and count together. One beautiful flower. Number 1. Here we have prepared many interesting games and opportunities to learn more about. Which number hole is the little monster popping out of? Use the right magic number cube to catch it. 4. Excellent. 5. 1. Excellent. Excellent. 3. I'm sorry, that's not quite right. Another new adventure begins. What kinds of treasures are waiting for us this time? Look carefully and think about which number is hiding in the closed shell. 2. You got it. I'm sorry, that's not quite right. 6. You've got it right. We have all kinds of wonderful math games to choose from. Which one would you like to play first? Help me pick the largest food. You got the right one.